you have to be conscious of the fact that subconsciously you're always picking up on traits and qualities and behaviors from people. Ask.
What's the importance of mentor in our life?
After this.
What's the importance of mentor in our life? Like we want to grow faster, so do we really need a good mentor, or it's just like okay, we are having illusions that we want a mentor?
Yeah. The number one source from whom we normally learn more is other human beings. It is not a book, it is not school, it is not college, it is not anything. It is other human beings in the form of parents, in the form of seniors we see. Like I wanted to become the head boy of my school when I was young because I saw the head boy when I was in 5th grade. I saw the head boy in 11th grade walking around with 2 girls like this. So I was like, I want to become the head boy. So that was because I saw somebody and I took that impression. So what you're talking about, that is it important to have a mentor? It's not essential to have a mentor in your life. But what is essential is to ensure that the selection you make of the people from whom you are going to absorb these impressions is the right kind of selection. You don't want to absorb impressions from the wrong kind of people. So I didn't have a mentor while building my business. I didn't have a mentor while going into my previous career because my entire family is in the Army, Navy, Air Force and they're all doctors. All right. So I had no one to tell me anything to do with my previous career or what I'm doing now, or even commerce. Like I was the first one in my family to study commerce. I didn't even know what commerce meant. All right. So I was still able to do something out of it. So that shows that it's not essential to have a mentor. But you have to be conscious of the fact that subconsciously you're always picking up on traits and qualities and behaviors from people. And you don't want to be picking it up from the wrong kind of people. हम बोलते हैं ना कि संगति से बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. So you don't want to have the wrong kind of company. So even when you're looking at people you want to learn from, all right, or people you want to absorb different kinds of behaviors from, a mentor will obviously help you. And if you can do it in, like if I had one, then maybe I would have launched my own platform much earlier than, doing YouTube for 3 years, because I think YouTube is honestly not the best place to do something if you are doing it genuinely, or if you're not into entertainment. If you're into education, it's a totally different game. So I now have a couple of people in my life as mentors, but I have spoken to them only a couple of times in my life, very deeply about work. Otherwise it's genuine conversations and this thing, and it's always a nice experience. But pure business, like I've spoken maybe 2-3 times. There's one Mr. Jack Chima, I think I've showed him on Instagram also on my profile. So it is obviously good now for me to have an influence from somebody like him compared to someone who might be a very wealthy businessman but an unethical businessman. I would not want to learn business from someone like that. I would want to learn it from someone who I genuinely respect, even if my business is something totally different and maybe I can't even learn from them. But about the company that I keep, I want it to be with people who share the same values or integrity or characteristics which I appreciate and my parents have instilled in me and stuff like that. So that is why, to answer your question, ultimately, I don't think it is essential to have a mentor. It is just essential to make the right choices when your mind is subconsciously picking up signals from people and you start imitating their behavior.
Basically,
all right?
Raising your awareness about your information that you take.
Yeah. That's the thing. Does that answer you?
Yes.
Yeah.